Back to you with another brand new video. So here is where you get your advanced photography skills and videography skills. So behind the camera is one and only Steve. So today we are going to talk about your monitor. Now you have this photo, but balancing the photo might be difficult, especially when the monitor is not well calibrated. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you calibrate your monitor. Calibrating is very simple. Actually, you just follow these settings that I'm going to show you right now. So you just follow these steps. Go to advanced and then calibrate display. Then just read how you can adjust your gamma and then how you can adjust your color. So actually this one will show you how your display is supposed to look and how your monitor should look before adjusting your in settings. So here you play with the color, just make sure that it looks exactly the way it is shown here. And then after doing so, you just click next and then you can see the previous and the current calibration. So thank you so much for watching that video. So the monitors that you're using right now, balancing a photo is another thing, but then the monitor shows you what exactly you did. If you're using a not well calibrated monitor, then that means that the photo actually is wrong. You can check this by viewing your photo in different devices so you see how it looks. But calibrating your monitor is one thing that you should know as a photographer or as a video editor or as a photo editor. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe and tune in to get more videos just like this one.